When you picture a career in mining, what do you see? Probably a figure covered in soot, deep underground, holding a pickaxe. It's an image of grit and danger that's been stuck in our minds for over a century. But what if I told you that the hottest jobs in mining today look more like this? A drone operator analyzing land data from a comfy, air-conditioned office. Or a data scientist in a remote operations center hundreds of miles from the actual mine, using AI to manage a fleet of self-driving trucks. Or how about a robotics engineer designing automated drills that make the job safer than it's ever been? These aren't your grandfather's mining jobs. We're talking high-tech careers that pay over R1 million and are cleaner, safer, and more innovative than you can imagine. The entire industry is in the middle of a huge technological revolution. The global smart mining market is already a multi-billion rand industry, and it's growing fast. Today, we're going to bust some old myths. We'll uncover the surprising, clean, and incredibly well-paying careers that are shaping the future of this essential industry. Forget what you think you know. The future of mining is here, and it's hiring. Let's start with the biggest myth, that mining is an old-school industry, stuck in the past, and all about physical labor. That couldn't be further from the truth. Modern mining is a high-tech sector, and in many ways, it's more advanced than other industries. The game changer? Data. Mines collect incredible amounts of data, and companies are desperate for people who can turn that data into real value. We're not just talking about spreadsheets. This is big data, AI, and machine learning. Think of a digital twin, a complete virtual copy of the entire physical mine. This lets engineers and data scientists run simulations, predict when equipment might fail, and tweak the whole workflow for maximum efficiency, all from a computer screen. And who's gathering all this data? A lot of the time, it's a drone pilot. Drones are used to map and survey mine sites with amazing accuracy, keep track of inventory, and build 3D models of the land. This isn't just a cool gadget. It makes the work safer and more precise. Then you have the remote operations centers, or ROCs. These look more like something out of NASA than a mine. From these central hubs, often in major cities, skilled operators control everything from drills to giant haul trucks that are hundreds of miles away. This shift means more and more of the work is office-based, focused on technical skill instead of brute force. The skills in demand aren't what you'd expect. Companies need software developers, data analysts, and IT specialists. A modern mining machine is a mix of heavy equipment and a supercomputer, so it needs people who get both hardware and software. The old image of a lone miner with a pickaxe is being replaced by teams of technicians and programmers working together in clean, high-tech environments. The industry is actively looking for people with strong data and software skills, even without a traditional mining background. The second big myth is that mining is still one of the most dangerous jobs out there. In the past, that was tragically true. The risks were huge. But today, the number one priority for any modern mining company is safety, and technology is the main reason for the change. The ultimate goal for many is zero-entry mining, where people are removed from the most dangerous areas completely. The biggest leap forward is in automation and robotics. The global market for mining robotics is valued at over 26 billion rand in 2025 and is expected to more than double in the next decade. Why? Because robots don't get tired, they don't get hurt, and they can work in conditions that are unsafe for people. Fleets of autonomous haul trucks, some the size of a small house, now drive themselves around the complex roads of a mine. Robotic loaders and automated drills handle the most physically demanding and hazardous jobs without a single person needing to be nearby. This automation drastically cuts down on accidents and boosts productivity. For the people who are still on site, technology is like a personal guardian angel. Miners were sensors that track their health, location, and the air quality around them in real time. If there's a gas leak or a worker is showing signs of fatigue, alerts go out instantly. This focus on safety has created entirely new careers. Health and safety engineers are critical. They don't just enforce rules. They design safety systems, analyze risk data, and use tech to predict and prevent accidents before they happen. They're the architects of a safe workplace. The focus has shifted from reacting to accidents to engineering them out of the picture. This isn't just about being efficient. It's about a deep commitment to making sure every single worker goes home.